You searched how to buy shares of Energy Transfer LP. This video shows the basic steps. Energy Transfer LP is a midstream energy company active in pipelines, storage, and terminals, listed on NASDAQ as ET. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy ET, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example. After you register, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ET to find the listing. Make sure you select the result labeled Energy Transfer LP so you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the short company summary and the price chart to confirm details. Verify the NASDAQ listing and the ET ticker to ensure you are on the right page. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you wish to buy, then review the order and confirm to place it. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After purchase, your new position will appear in your portfolio view. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to follow the same example.